At the age of 25, I decided to quit my well-paid job to start an academy during a pandemic with a total investment of just rupees 2000. There were 4 incidents that shaped my decision. The first incident was March 2020 when COVID hit the country. Initially, everyone thought that things would normalize in some time. At that time, I was working as data analytics consultant with one of the IT firms in India. I was in London for a few years and moved to India just before COVID. I was about to move to Switzerland for another long-term project. Everything was set. I received my Swiss visa and I was about to travel. But then Europe was hit badly with COVID. My project was cancelled. And that made me think, आज project delay से cancel हुआ है, कल को कुछ और होगा. And soon, one day I will receive a call saying, Sahil, thank you so much, but we'll have to let you go as the market is fluctuating. तब मैं क्या करूँगा? We know life is full of uncertainties, but do I have to just keep waiting for something to happen, or should I work on my plan B? And that's when I made one of the most difficult decisions of my life. Hello everyone, I am Sahil Bhadvia, founder of Sahil's Academy. And this is my story of why I decided to quit my well-paid job to start an academy during a pandemic with a total investment of just rupees 2000. I still remember when I informed my friends and relatives about my decision to quit my job and start a personal finance academy, they were shocked. Everyone started saying, Sahil, why are you quitting your job now? It's COVID time. On one side, people are losing their job and you want to quit your well-paid job? Who will join your personal finance academy? How many students you will have? 5, 10, maximum 20. Then what? Some of them even said, you will regret your decision. This is a big gamble. Fast forward today, it's been less than a year since I quit my job and I have more than 2 lakh subscribers on my YouTube channel. And I have an online video course on money management with 3,500 plus enrollments. So let me share why I choose a personal finance academy as a startup. It could be anything, right? Then why an academy to spread financial knowledge? Because sometimes it is not just one event, but multiple events that shape your future. So there were 4 incidents that shaped my decision to spread financial knowledge. The first incident was when I was in class 12th. My best friend's father died in an accident. And we all know how families are still dependent upon the male member of the house. The wives are happy with the thought कि घर अच्छा चल रहा है. Kids are happy कि demands पूरी हो रही है. But what happened when the security blanket is removed? That's when reality hits you. I remember my friend faced a lot of financial challenges. He did not know what all investment his father has made or how much debt he was in. He found out that his father did not have life insurance. So my friend had to pay off all those liabilities. At that time, I did not have much idea about life insurance. But I had learned and understood that life insurance is a very important part of our life. Second incident happened when I was doing my engineering. One of my relatives had a heart attack and a major surgery. Later I got to know that he did not have health insurance. So he had to end up breaking his FD which he was saving for his daughter's wedding. That day I understood the importance of having a health insurance. The third incident happened during my MBA. One of my cousins asked for financial help. It was a big amount. Hence I curiously asked for the reason. Initially he hesitated, but later he mentioned that he has lost 5 lakh in a Ponzi scheme. That day I promised myself that I would never do anything like this in my life. But the fourth incident changed my life completely. So when I started working, I came across the stock market and I got greedy and ended up investing 50,000 rupees in a single stock with a dream to get multi-bagger returns. Unfortunately, I lost 90% of my money. And it's when you lose your own money, you actually start valuing it more. That day, at the age of 25, I decided to learn every aspect of money management. I started reaching out to people to help me with managing my finances. But unfortunately, nobody could give me satisfactory answer on how to manage my money. Even the most qualified people lack the knowledge about money management. That's when I started exploring the courses on money management. But again, I was disappointed. That's when I decided to learn everything on my own. Trust me, it wasn't easy. I had no clue about how to start, where to start, what to read, and what to avoid. Initial few months were messed up. I had a lot of questions, but then there was no one to answer my doubts. It became a khichdi in my mind. But I was determined. I did not quit. I spent thousands of hours researching. I remember coming back from my job in the evening and spending sleepless nights. Soon I realized the importance of early investment with power of compounding. I learned how to pick the right stock. I learned the importance of patience and discipline during investment. I learned the importance of controlling the emotions of fear and greed and many more things. Not only money management, there are a lot of skills that are important in life. For example, English speaking is also a very important part of our life. It is because if you know English language, you can communicate with anyone in the world. Now you can use Josh Skill app to practice English daily with students from all over India. It would boost your confidence and open up various avenues to achieve success in life. For more details, you can check out the link in the comments. Now during the entire period, I realized that when it comes to money management, majority of people in India have no clue. Every year, millions of people in India end up making many financial mistakes that destroy their financial lives. For example, they end up falling into various debt traps like my friend's father. They end up investing money based on tips. They end up falling for various Ponzi schemes just like I did. Another problem is lifestyle inflation. I had friends who used to earn well, but even after earning a lot of money, they were living paycheck to paycheck. By the end of the month, they were left with no money. Hence, I decided to spread the knowledge with a blog on money management. I would work in a corporate setup throughout the day and at night I would blog. But I did not get a good response on my blog. I failed. I had no strategy, no plan as to how I could reach out to people. I felt like giving a speech in an empty hall with no people. I also understood that reading and writing are a completely different ballgame altogether. Eventually, I came across this platform called Quora. This is a platform where you can ask questions and write answers. I thought of giving it a shot. So I started writing answers related to finance and investment. And slowly, I started getting good response to my answers. Soon I was reaching out to 40,000 plus people for personal finance and investment in a layman's language that everyone could understand. And that's when I started getting a lot of messages over Quora. Many people started losing their jobs. Businesses were getting shut down. And they had no emergency fund to take care of their families. Some of them had EMIs to pay. Some of them had to pay school fee for their children. But unfortunately, due to poor financial planning, people were struggling badly. And that's when I decided to take my initiative to the next level. Now the question was, what next? How to increase my reach? How to spread financial knowledge among millions of people? Especially during COVID time when you have lockdown everywhere. At that time, I was writing on Quora. But the problem with Quora was lack of reach as not many people followed that platform. But the YouTube platform had a very wide reach. I knew that if I can get the reach from YouTube, I'll make a much bigger positive impact. Hence, I decided to start a Personal Finance Academy on YouTube. I just ordered a tripod stand for Rs 1300 and a microphone for Rs 700. That's it. My total investment was just Rs 2000. I used my mobile phone for recording and my laptop for editing videos. Again, it was extremely difficult for a person like me who had no idea about how to speak in front of a camera. The initial few months were very difficult. Despite the good content, I did not get the visibility. So I kept on posting videos. 5 videos, 10 videos, 15 videos, 20 videos, 30 videos. My subscriber base was increasing but very slowly. I almost crawled from 0 to 3000 subscribers in the initial few months. Then I remember it was February 2021. One day I got up in the morning and I saw 100 subscribers in a single day. Next day it was 200 subscribers. Then 500 subscribers. Then 1000 subscribers, 2000 subscribers, 5000 subscribers in a single day. My videos went viral. And in February 21, my subscriber base jumped from 3,000 to 1 lakh. All happened within 1 month. In parallel with YouTube, I also started a complete course on money management. While YouTube is a great platform, the problem is that you don't find structured content on YouTube. This was the exact problem I faced when I started learning. So I wanted to learn in a structured way, like A, then B, then C, and so on. But I could not find a single platform where I can learn everything. Hence, I decided to launch a complete video course on money management where I could teach every aspect of money management from scratch in a structured manner. This course was designed across the age group, right from a teenager to a retired person, because at the end of the day, everyone needs to know how to manage money and avoid all financial traps. It was an extremely difficult task. I spent a lot of time finalizing the structure of the course and creating the video content. During the initial 15 days, I did not get any enrollment. I initially thought of running digital ads, but it was a costly affair. Hence, I focused on content marketing where I spread knowledge for free on Quora and YouTube. When I shared my knowledge on Quora and YouTube, people found it useful and they built a trust on me. And that's what worked for me. They liked my genuine and well-researched content on YouTube and wanted to learn every aspect of money management in a structured manner. Hence, they started enrolling. And when the product is good, you don't need to market it. Word of mouth publicity is the best marketing. It's been less than a year and I already have 3,500 plus enrollments in my course. And the journey that I started alone has now a team of 5 people helping me with all sorts of activities like your research to editing to social media activity and so on. Just few months ago, I was a job seeker and today I have become a job creator. And within just a few months of starting my passion project, which began with just a mere investment of rupees 2,000 to a point where a company approached me with an offer of 20 crore rupees. While it might look like an overnight success, I have spent years to reach at this stage. There are a lot of people who want to earn online or generate second source of income. I have a message for them. Your focus should always be on upgrading your skills. The best part is that in 21st century, everything is available on your fingertips. That's the power of internet. It all depends upon how you want to make the use of mobile phone. And when you focus on upgrading your skills, money would automatically come as byproduct.
क्योंकि आप जो स्टॉक्स देख रहे हैं, जाहिर सी बात है कि आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं। ये जाहिर सी बात है कि आप अपनी ज़िंदगी को सीरियसली लेते हैं, आप वो सारे स्किल्स एक्वायर करना चाहते हैं जिससे आप ज़िंदगी में तरक्की कर सकें, लोगों से आगे बढ़ पाएं। और अगर ये सच है तो जोश स्टॉक्स का ही एक ऐप है जोश स्किल्स, जहां एग्जैक्टली इसी चीज़ को करने के लिए बहुत ही खूबसूरत बहुत सारे कोर्सेज बनाए गए हैं। कोर्सेज जो लाखों स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं। ये कोर्सेज स्पेसिफिकली सिर्फ एजुकेशनल नहीं है जहां आप एक्सेल स्किल्स, पावर पॉइंट स्किल्स और ये सब सीख सकते हैं, बल्कि लाइफ स्किल्स भी हैं जहां आप पब्लिक स्पीकर कैसे बना जाए वो सीख सकते हैं, आप कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे एक्वायर कर सकते हैं वो सीख सकते हैं, आप हेजिटेशन के बिना कैसे बोलें वो सीख सकते हैं, आप अपनी पर्सनालिटी कैसे डेवलप कर सकते हैं वो सीख सकते हैं। हर एक कोर्स में डेली क्विजेज हैं, एक्सरसाइजेज हैं, एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत कम्युनिटी है जो आपको सपोर्ट करेगी, आपको इनकरेज करेगी। तो अगर आपको ये टॉक पसंद आया हो, जोश टॉक्स जो करता है वो पसंद है, तो आपको जोश स्किल्स भी बहुत ही फायदेमंद लगेगा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें जोश स्किल्स का ऐप और उनके कोर्सेज एक्सप्लोर करके अपनी ज़िंदगी को आगे बढ़ाएं।